Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to show you these oven bags that are perfect to actually cook your fish, cook your meat, turkey roasting, and it is also works for conventional roasting as well. How cool is that? And yes guys, so basically what you have to do is to preheat the oven to the required temperature, and you cannot use it above 200 Celsius, not Fahrenheit. And yes guys, so again, it depends on what exactly you would like to do with it, because also you can put it in a microwave and basically snip top corner of the bag, allow its steam escaping, put it in a microwave dish and cook at the appropriate power level for required time. When finished the process of cooking, you can take out the food, use the leaving juice to make gravy, if for example you're doing turkey or you are doing fish. And it looks like here it is. And again, here are also your closures. There's plenty of those inside. They just look like this, as you can see, so you can actually tighten things up once you place food on top. All right, let's see. All right, so let me take, for example, one bag. I believe this is, wow guys, this is actually 3. There's plenty inside. So basically you would put food inside and then you would tighten with this part, just like this, and then just basically push it through, and you are ready to cook. How cool is that?